Hello, my name is Andrew Wegner, and I am the Energy and Sustainability Technology Lead here at Mainstream Engineering. Thank you for stopping by to hear about our Shipboard Greywater processing system. This modular new technology we have developed allows for over 75% reduction in greywater with a greatly reduced footprint that can be customized to fit in almost any location on board a ship. Mainstream Engineering is a small research, development, and manufacturing company located in Rockledge on the Space Coast of Florida. We have been around for over 30 years and employ a host of over 100 employees. Our staff includes almost every type of engineer, as well as analytical chemists. Our 100,000 square foot facility includes a 30,000 square foot production facility where we make over 40 products that are sold commercially, online, in big box stores all over the world. Our goal is to develop emerging technologies into superior products, and we have all the in-house capabilities to test and commercialize them, including a full machine shop, chemistry lab, and electronics lab. Today I'm going to be talking about the Greywater Challenge and the technology Mainstream has developed to solve it. Littoral waters, or just a few miles from shore, have significantly more stringent wastewater discharge regulations than the open sea. The U.S. Navy is in production of the Littoral Combat Ship, designed specifically to operate in these zones. However, wastewater management on these ships is an issue, and increased operations in the littoral zones require modification to their central holding transfer tanks. These are expensive retrofits, requiring opening the hull and can cost over $500,000 per ship. And they do not improve any wastewater management, but just allow increased storage of wastewater. Mainstream is developing a greywater processing system to meet these needs to reduce the amount of wastewater generated. This system will be able to process over 2,500 gallons per day and a less than 90 cubic foot packaged. It is a modular system that can be made for many unique space claims and partially process this whole load. We will have a production system ready for ship testing in 2022. Currently, all vessels are prohibited from discharging black water in the littoral zone due to both local and federal wastewater regulations, as well as internationally due to the MARPOL regulations. In some areas, such as the Great Lakes and Alaska, they are unable to discharge any wastewater at all due to more stringent EPA regulations. Currently, greywater is generated from multiple locations during routine shipboard operations and then combined with black water. Because of this, the collection holding transfer tanks, which store the black water and combined greywater, must be larger. However, only the black water has these stringent regulations. Therefore, there is a need for improved wastewater processing to reduce the amount of water that's generated during shipboard operations into these tanks, allowing increased littoral operation time as well as reduced wastewater expenses when at port. The existing water technologies follow quickly, do not clean to the required MARPOL or EPA regulations, and take up a large space claim. There is a need for a smart system that's adapted specifically to shipboard use for the Navy to improve water management techniques. The Greywater processing system is a fully modular wastewater treatment system to clean greywater so it can be disposed of overboard in all locations and meet required local, EPA, UNDS, and MARPOL regulations. The system is based on Mainstream's greywater recycling system that was developed for Army field kitchens, shown here, that produces water that's able to be reused per EPA 40 CFR Part 133, or disposed of in littoral waters. For the Navy, the focus has been simply on meeting all requirements for overboard discharge at any time. The system has smart sensors that both monitor the flow rate and processing capabilities of the system, which verify effluent water quality is meeting key performance metrics required for discharge. This modular system is being demonstrated at the 2,500 gallons per day scale for the Littoral Combat Ship, where there is an immediate need for improved wastewater management. Mainstream system is currently undergoing life testing and water quality validation for a host of different greywater feeds based on actual ship greywater properties, including laundry, kitchen, and waste. This first generation prototype is being packaged into the specific space claim and able to be installed with no hull removal. We expect to deliver this prototype in 2021 with the shipboard production unit available in 2022. This prototype will validate the system's performance. As discussed, retrofits are very expensive and do not solve the wastewater problem, while the current technology for wastewater processing is too large, too slow, and does not meet the ever-increasing regulation requirements. Mainstream's greywater processing system is an enabling technology that allows for longer operation in littoral zones and significantly reduced cost when at port due to reduced generation of combined greywater and black water. Our hardware is modular and can be installed in small space claims and treat specific feeds, such as the galley or scullery, and the total greywater before collection tanks. This methodology simplifies plumbing and reduces the cost of installation, saving money both on install, maintenance, and in processing. In addition, our smart sensor system monitors the quality of incoming and outgoing water quality, verifying that water slated for overboard disposal meets discharge criteria, which prevents any regulatory concerns. This technology reduces the filling of black water collection, holding, and transfer tanks by 75%, reducing dumping requirements by up to 4 times and saving money. Currently, Mainstream is validating the prototypes under development for water quality. Then we will require shipboard testing and demonstrate the capabilities. We are currently slated for 2022 for this testing and demonstration. At the current time, we are looking for other platforms that have water management issues. The littoral combat ship is one that comes to mind immediately due to the littoral zone. However, other platforms at different sizes also have these issues. Even very large ships send Greywater and Blackwater to combined collection holding transfer tanks in a way that requires increased disposal fees at port. Mainstream Engineering can rapidly scale or shrink this technology and apply it to both larger and smaller platforms. We're looking for different platforms that are interested in this for us to demonstrate the technology. This technology also has a wide array of applications to commercial markets. The current technology does not produce the water quality that's necessary for disposal under all conditions and are very large and bulky systems. Mainstream's Greywater processing system reduces water consumption, reduces the labor for maintenance, and reduces energy use. This is something that applies to commercial shipping in addition to the military. We see other target markets for this, including cruise ships, cargo ships, tankers, or shipboard or land kitchens. As mentioned before, this technology was originally developed for reuse in the Army kitchens and can also be used in a similar application. This enables increased operations in littoral waters for all different types of vessels and will significantly reduce the cost of water disposal while in port, especially in international ports where MARPOL regulations are enforced in different manners. The modular nature of this allows for rapid scaling, both smaller and larger, in order to meet all ship needs. Mainstream is a one-stop shop who will be manufacturing the Shipboard Greywater processing system after it has been fully demonstrated and validated. We are looking for government and prime contractors in order to help integrate this modular system into available ship space claims on ships that have issues with greywater management. We are currently looking to partner for shipboard testing, where this system can be installed with no panel replacement, providing a significantly reduced installation cost, as well as minimal piping replacements. We are hoping to demonstrate the efficacy of the system for all MARPOL regulations for different greywater feeds from different ships. So let's discuss your application. We're looking for new needs from different ships as well as different space claims for this modular technology to be applied. Please reach out to us for anything that you can think of in terms of a current wastewater need that you have on your specific type of vessel or ideas for where this technology could be applied. My name is Andrew Wagner. I am the Energy and Sustainability Technology Lead here at Mainstream Engineering, and please reach out to myself or John Klee, who's our Director of Military Sales. We are looking to address the water needs of the future today